Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix your purchase could not be completed on your iPhone and iPad iOS 16. So guys, let's get started without wasting any time. First of all guys, what you have to do is just simply open setting, then you have to tap on your Apple ID, and from here you have to sign out your Apple ID, and then you have to turn off your device at least for the 60 seconds and then turn it on again and then check whether the problem has been fixed or not. And if the problems are like this there, then what you have to do is just simply open settings, scroll it on, tap on screen time, then you have to tap on content and privacy restrictions, and then you have to tap on iTunes and App Store purchases, and then you have to tap on in-app purchases. And if it's check on don't allow, then you have to tap on allow and then check whether the problem has been fixed or not. And if the problem select this there, then what you have to do is just simply open setting and then scroll it on from here, and then tap on your Apple ID, and then tap on media and purchases, then tap on view account, and from here you have to wait a while and you have to tap on country or region. So then tap on change country or region, so you have to select your country from here, like I'm selecting United States. So you have to wait a while. So here are the terms and conditions, so you have to read it carefully, then tap on agree, again tap on agree, and you have to select your payment method. I'm selecting it now. So you have to give your billing address, you can put fake one as well. So you have to select your state, I'm selecting California, and you have to give your zip code. If you don't know about your zip code, then you have to search at Safari browser or another browser. So you have to tap on next, and then tap on done, and after that your problem will be fixed. So that's it guys for today video. If the video is helpful, please like the video and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.